Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Line app for group calls. In order to use the Line app for group calls, you must first create a group chat and then initiate the call from within that chat. So what you want to do is open the Line app onto your device, log into your account, and once you do this, you want to go ahead and create a group. So basically you want to click onto the group at the bottom of the page, or just go to the chat section and create a group. Once you're done creating a group with the people that you want to add to your group, open up the chat page and tap onto the menu bar at the top right. You could find these icons at the top of the chat and then select either voice call or video call. As you do this, a preview screen will appear for video call, allowing you to configure the camera effects, filter background, and choose whether to join with your mic and camera on and off or not. And you just want to join the call, so that means tap or click the start or join button. All members of the group chat will receive a notification that a group call has started. And once you've actually done this, you would go ahead and use the Line app for group call in this way. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.